Let's now go to gua sha. Let's discuss bad breath, heat accumulation in the internal organs. Bad breath refers to the bad smell in mouth, which is off-putting to others and awkward for yourself. Though a small ailment, bad breath is intolerable. It tends to make one feel hesitated in contacting with other people at a close distance, resulting in a sense of inferiority and blockage of affection and interpersonal communications with others. Bad breath is also likely to be the signal of certain diseases. People with heavy bad breath can feel it themselves, while some people do not know it until such reaction of disgust is made by other people. In more cases, in order not to hurt one's feelings, people do not point it out, while one with bad breath is not aware of it. In fact, it is simple to know whether you have bad breath or not. Cover the mouth and the nose with two palms in a semi-open bowl shape. Breathe out between the palms and breathe in with the nose, then you can smell your breath. Gua sha can remove bad breath caused by heat in internal organs. Such undesirable ways of life as irregular diet or too much spicy food, as well as over fatigue, lead to weak gastric functions, which is harmful to proper digestion in intestines and the expelling of food residues in accumulation generate toxin in the blood in intestinal walls and harm internal organs to cause diseases. Food residue precipitating in intestines for a long time will give rise to inner heat, produce bad smell, evaporate upwards, and lead to bad breath through the mouth, nose, and throat. The cure of bad breath must be based on expelling toxin in the blood, in intestinal walls, and in inner organs, restoring normal intestinal and gastric function so that food residues precipitating in intestines can be expelled, leading to the eradication of conditions for the existence of bad breath. Gua sha is an effective way of expelling accumulated heat and toxin. There will be very good effects if such acupoints as pericardium 7 and pericardium 8 on the hand, stomach 36 and stomach 44 on the shin and the foot are scraped. As you can see in the figure, uh, the, the point for pericardium 7 in the middle of the lateral band of the palm. For the location of pericardium 8, with the fingers curled in, in toward the palm, the point reached by the tip of the middle finger into the palm. For stomach 36, about 3 soon below the knee of the outer side of the tibia. For stomach 44, on the dorsal-ventral boundary of the foot, in the rear of the toe web between the second and third toe. The scraping dialing point serves to reduce bad breath. Bad breath. This refers to bad smell from the mouth. According to Chinese medicine, bad breath originates from too much internal fire in the heart and the spleen, with heat accumulated in pericardium meridian for a long time, doing harm to the blood channel. Bad breath can also be caused by rising dampness due to spleen weakness, resulting in heating up the mouth, the tongue, and throat. Scraping therapy can help to reduce internal heat in the heart and the stomach, fundamentally expelling bad breath. People with bad breath had better to eat less garlic and onion and some other kinds of irritating food, not smoke and drink alcohol, eat more vegetables, fruit and food of coarse fibers. In daily life, drink an appropriate amount of tea water, which can not only reduce internal heat but also clean them out and improve bad breath. For recommended procedures for the dialing point and the Laogong point, method uh, use the corner of the scraping plate to scrape, press, and knead the Dowling point, and the Laogong point until soreness and distension are felt. Now, the second is Susan Lee point and the Nating point. Use the corner of the scraping plate to press and knead Susan Lee point and the Nating point of the stomach meridian on both sides until soreness and distension are felt. Thank you for your attention.